Well, let's focus on another big stock, Balaji Amines. The stock was down close to around 16%. It's recovered a little bit lower from the lows of the day. Sonal is joining us to tell us about why the stock was lower, and she's got some clarification from the management as well. Sonal?
Thank you so much for that. Well, two reasons why Balaji Amines is lower in trade. First is their financial earnings, which were very weak, both on a quarter-on-quarter and on a YOY basis. There was an expectation that Q4 could be better, at least sequentially, but that hasn't come through. So revenues, they have declined by 40%. EBITDA is down 40%. Margins also have declined to 38%, leading to a profit decline of 58% for the company to come at 55 crore rupees. The company says the fall in margins was largely on account of weaker demand coming in from the pharma segment and the agro sector as well. They anticipate return to growth in margin levels similar to COVID-19 levels or pre-COVID-19 levels in due course. They actually saw very high realizations during the COVID period, and now they are normalizing, and that's the reason of revenues are also looking lower. They had planned their capex according to pre-COVID realizations, and that's why profits, what they had anticipated, will be at those levels, and revenues from the newer projects, they will start hitting their financials from FY24 itself. So that is something that will aid profitability. Now, what is the other thing that is actually disappointing the street as well? And that's resignations coming in from various independent directors. There has been resignation of 5 independent directors. They say it is because of personal reasons, and one of them is attaining age of 75 years as well. Now, important to note that some of them are on the audit committee. One of them is the chairperson of the audit committee as well. So that poses some questions as well. Additionally, CFO also has resigned to focus on the subsidiary company, which is Balaji Specialty Chemicals, and that one is going to be listed on bourses. They have filed their DRHP. So now, of course, it will come on the bourses as well very soon. So that is one of the reasons. However, they have appointed another CFO, Mr. Hemanth Reddy, who is appointed as the whole-time director and CFO till 31st March of 2026. But these resignations, so many of them who've come on board, is something that is worrying the street. This is added on by the weak performance that continues for Balaji Amines for third quarter in a row.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. The street is definitely quite disappointed. The stock is down about 12.5%. But let's